Ingredient: 100% natural vitamin B plus vitamin E, derived from jojoba bean. Eyedropper. An eyedropper for precise application. DAIRLY nail care. Great for everyday use and DIY moisturizers. Soothing scents. Great cruelty-free vegan fruit, floral-inspired scents. Promise. We purchase and bottle in small batches to ensure the freshest oil. Apply a few drops of cuticle oil to your fingers or to your nails. Massage into the skin for 30 or more seconds until the oil has absorbed. Apply 2 times daily for 3 or more months for best results. Top reviews from the United States. Neosporin vs. GELLIKE oil. I have really severely dry cuticles fingertips. I have been trying different products for years, including using cotton gloves and so on. This product works better than putting Neosporin, working hands, or anything else on that I've tried. The trick is to oil up with this product and put silicone fingercots on for an hour.